Hey everybody, welcome back to Ironman 3406. This is your first time tuning into the channel. I'm Nathan. We're out here today. Grandpa and I are going to play on our old D8 with the cable scraper. We're here on a live job site with my uncle's company. It's 4 627s ripping around over there. And yeah, we'll get you some video of this thing working. So Grandpa's going to go ahead and fire it up. I'll get that all on video. Magneto on, choke, gas. So just so everybody knows, this is a 2U Caterpillar D8 1952 and it's hitched to a Vickers Onion cable scraper. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. All right, so for those of you who don't know kind of how a scraper works, there's three main components to it. You got the apron, which closes off the material. You got the bowl, which is the whole area where the material is collected and hauled. And then you got an apron here at the back, and that's what pushes the material ahead when you're dumping. So because this machine doesn't have hydraulics on it, you don't have any down pressure. So with a cable scraper, you get it into the ground, and then as the bowl loads full of dirt, the weight of the bowl and the weight of the scraper is actually what gives you the pressure to cut into the ground. And then it just keeps loading, and ideally you want to try and get a nice rolling action, and then it fills the whole scraper, you know, really full. There's no big clumps and chunks and voids. And you get her all loaded up, close the apron down, drop it like it's hot, grab a gear, go to your dump site, pull the apron up, and then on a hydraulic scraper you've got three controls. You've got a control for the bowl, a control for the apron, and a control for the ejector. But on a cable scraper you only got two controls: a cable spool for the bowl and a cable spool for the apron and the injector. So when the apron opens up and opens all the way, then the cable starts to pull on the shivs in the back, and it pulls the ejector ahead so that it can eject the material out of the bowl. And then close your apron off a little bit, or leave it open, and turn around, drag off your load, and head back for the cut. And that's, you know, the basics of a scraper. It's definitely a little bit of work on one of these cable units. This is the first chance I've ever had in my life to actually haul a load with a cable scraper, so it's been kind of fun. I'm not done yet, just needed a water break. So and then Grandpa fired up the old Wabco. So for all my Jimmy guys, back at the shop here in our laydown area where we keep all of our antique projects and equipment. Had a real fun day there out on the D8 with the Vickers scraper. It was my first chance or first crack at ever running a cable operated scraper, so it was a lot of fun for me. I hope you had fun watching. Hope you learned something. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you like the kind of stuff that you're seeing on the channel here, subscribe, ring the bell, get the notifications, all that wonderful stuff. I'm gonna sign off here and get back headed to home. I got a 3-hour drive back home and I gotta work in the morning. So again, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one, and don't forget, I am Iron Man. See you later.